Hello everyone, this video is about creating pages on the Fount theme. The page that we're going to try to reproduce on this tutorial is the demo is the artist page. So we're going to try to build something similar to this. I'm going to center only on the content creation, not on the options that they are covered on other tutorials. So let's start by creating a new page. And I'm still working on the demo content, so the images that you'll see will come from there. So, and let's activate the backend editor. And the first section that we have here is this slider above. So this is not really something that you add here on the page, but it's the feature slider. So in this case, in this case we have to select this option to display a feature slider above the content, and let's also activate the parallax effect, and let's also activate this option to force the slider height to be the same as the window, and this should be okay. Let's publish our page, and obviously this will only show the slider for now, but here it is. So let's continue with the page creation, and let's add a row. And the second thing that we see here is this portfolio section. This portfolio section has a specific option, which is the width of the portfolio is the screen width. So when you add your row, you need to select here a special option, which is this one, which is here you are saying that you want this row to occupy the whole width. So save for now, and now let's add our portfolio. So we have here an element called latest portfolio, and I'm just going to adjust here the columns number. I'm not going to set anything here. Also, we can use a filter to show only certain skills of the portfolio. We don't need it. Let's just say that we don't want any filter above the thumbnails. And this is not important, but here's where you say what should happen when you click on a thumbnail. Thumbnails margin 0 in this case. Multicolored thumbs, okay. Always show project info, no. This is okay too, and in this case we don't have any icons inside the thumbnail. So these are just basically options that we have here. I'm not going through all of them because, like I told you on other videos, I will. But here the important thing is to understand how the content is built. So let's refresh our page and see if we already have here a portfolio section under the slider. So we have our slider, and here's our portfolio going full width as expected. It looks a bit weird here because we are working with the demo content, and you'll see repeated images, but they are actually different portfolio elements. You see here, this one is for instance, is the half layout, and this one above is the same image, but it's the wide layout. So we are working on the demo content, so I'm not going to worry about this for now. And after the portfolio, we have here a section, doesn't have anything special, but let's try and build something similar. So let's add another row, and it has 2 columns, and on the left side we have an image, and I'm just going to use something from that's already on the media library. I'm just going to say here that I want the full image to be used, and I think we're okay here. And on the right side we have well, we have here some style titles, some lines. So here we have a title, and well, I think the size is smaller. I'm not really going to worry too much about all the details to match. We have a separator line, and then we have a block of text, and I'm just going to leave it well, I'm going to leave it like this, just add something more. Okay, and we have a signature image after, so I'm going to add another single image, and this one I have it here. Okay, once again full size, and I like to see the progress, so let's see how it's looking at this moment. Okay, so the line is not with the color. I think it's a grayish here, yes. And okay, so I'm just going to adjust here this color, but once again the idea here is just to show you how this is built. I'm not going through all of the details, but we have a similar section under this one, so I'm not going to put the tabs now, so this video does not take too much time. So I'm just putting a similar section under, and I forgot to put the title on this section, so I'm going to add another row, and here we have a big title with a line under and this chunk of text that I'm going to copy right away. So here's the title. In this case it's extra large, and append lines to title. Yes, we're going to say that we want a thicker line under, and save. And after the title we had a block of text. Okay, update. So let's see how this section is looking. So it's looking more similar to this one. I'm just going to make one or two adjustments because the title is not aligned here, this one, and I'm going to align it and give a little space here. So basically we have to say that this text is center aligned, and we need some space here, and the theme has this element called vertical spacer, and let's say that we want 30 pixels and it's after the signature, and let's save. And for now I'm not going to worry more about this section because I don't want the video to be too long, but let's just see how it's looking at this moment. So it's something more or less like this section. That once again, I'm not going to create the tabs now, but they can be easily created with a visual composer. I just don't really want to take too much time here with the video. And once again, if you are not happy with the spacing above and under, you can add these extra space elements that the theme has. So let's move on to this client feedback section. And so let's create another row, and this row has a testimonials element. So here it is. I think I don't have any special options that are needed to do here. Maybe just the text color. Let's make it white, center, navigation arrows, and autoplay slider. Okay, okay. And we have a title above. Let's just copy this one. But in this case we don't want the line under, so no line under, and the color is yellow, and we have a small block of text under the title, so I just copied it from above and put it here, and in this case we have to center it too, so select, center, and save. And I think the color, yeah, because we want the text to have a different color from the theme default option, we need to say here that it's white. So update once again, and now we should have a testimonial section under this this other section. Let's see how it's looking. I think I forgot to, yeah, here it is, but I forgot to put the background image. So we have to click on the row options and background type an image here, and let's just use once again one of these, and I'm just going to say here that I want the parallax effect, and I think we're good here. Let's update and refresh again. Okay, so here's our portfolio, here's our about section, and here's the testimonial section. So starting once again, sorry to repeat this, but if you need more space here, I'm just going to show you, just in case. If you need more space here under, if you are not happy with it, it's just as easy as adding this extra element under the image or in the right side, okay? And we are still missing the contact section. That has this this first part is similar to this one, so we can use those elements. So add a new row and duplicate this one, and here, well, this one no, because it's on white and we don't want it white, so let's duplicate this one. So put it here, and after this we have two columns, so row split in two columns. And what do we have here? We have some titles again and some text. So one title, the title, I think it's small here, and then we have an extra line with this color, so I'm going to copy it and bring it down here, and then we have a text block, paste, and then we have a contact form. Yeah, we have this contact form. So we have, I have included this element with a theme. It's called theme contact form, one where you can put your email, the receiving email. So save, and once again let's see how this column is looking, and let's refresh here. So we have our contact form, we have our text, our title is missing. I don't know. Let me see if I. Yeah, we need. I probably did. I put something here? No. So that's why our title was missing. And here, and I think this row. We need to put some extra space here again, and I left it with not too much space, because on certain occasions you don't need the space, so I left it without. And if you want to put it, it's just as simple as adding these elements, and you have total control of the amount of space that will be there. In this case I placed 60 pixels above. So let's see how this is looking now. Okay, spacing is fine here, and we have our block of text not centered. I will center it now, and let's just build this right part very quickly. So here we have, let's just center this text again, and here, and on the right side we have something similar, so duplicate everything here and move it to this side. And then we have this this extra element from the theme, which is called contact information. And because the video is really long, I'm just going to put something here on the company name, and just for you to see how things are shown here. And I forgot something. Yeah, I can put an email here. Okay, and we had also those social link networks links, sorry, and I'm just going to put them here, just one or two. And one more and one more, just to give you an idea. And I think we should be ready now. Let's just refresh the page now. So we have our slider above, we have our portfolio section, we have our about section, we have our testimonials section, and we have our contact form section. Once again, it's not looking exactly like the preview because we need to make some minor adjustments to the layout, but in general this should show you how to build the pages. Sorry for the long video, and thank you very much for watching.